Alright, working on the C30 today. Gonna do a fuel filter. Got some new headlights coming and cab lights and some LED bulbs. But this is the 82, so it's got a just that turn on filter. Looks pretty cramped in there, that sucks. I think this has a filter too, but I have that one I'm changing today, so. Just barely enough to get that fucker off. Nice. New filter, old one. Just gonna do a little top off. Get a little on that gasket. Cracked to shit. Let's chop that real quick while we're okay. Yeah, it's fishy back here. That does look like shit. That's okay. Need some new vacuum lines back here. Alright, plug this back in. Some of this is for the glow plug. Alright, plugged in. What the hell does that go to? Looks like there was a fuse. And I don't know what's factory wiring. Alright, new filters installed. Let's see about this thing. Does anybody run this? Fuel water separator. Next on to the... Alright, new filters in, cracked an injector. Oh, that one. So I'm gonna turn it over. Well, headlights come tomorrow. But we're getting new turn signals and some new cab lights. Got some new cab lights for the C30. These are nice. Alright, while we're waiting for the batteries to charge a little bit, let's install these guys right here. Let's see, what do we got? There we go. Pop that bulb out. Sayonara halogen. Very nice, look at that. And then I'm gonna do the other side, obviously. Alright, LED. New headlights coming tomorrow. That is much brighter there. Look at that. Oh yeah, and then the cab lights. And it looks so fucking cool. God. So, changing headlights. One, two, three, four. Lift up and down. 4 Phillips per headlight. Take those out. I think these are the original. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see through these freaking reflectors. That all the reflective stuff is just gone. And that stupid screw is seized up. We got some PB blaster on it though. Should come loose. Headlights in. We're gonna change this belt now. We're gonna take this one off first. Alternator loosen, then there's a bolt down there you take off.